So I purchased two MacBook Airs M2. One is certified refurbished and the other one is brand spanking new. Now, as you can see, the box and the presentation is exactly the same. And really, I don't know which one is which. I think the one on the left is certified refurbished and the one on the right is brand new. We could unbox both of these at the same time. Who am I kidding? So this is Apple certified refurbished right here. You could tell because the white box and it says Apple certified refurbished upside down. And there you go. This is the brand new because the new is always going to show the picture of the product right in front of the box. Apple certified refurbished is always going to have a white simple box. And right away, here we are. So exactly the same pull tab on the certified refurbished, and the brand new, you have the same exact pull tab. So you're getting the same plastic experience. I know how it feels unboxing Apple products. It's really satisfying. And going with certified refurbished through Apple is no exception. Summer is almost over. Unfortunately, back to school is coming back. So this is a perfect time to maybe look into different laptops you can buy. And I'm gonna unbox the new MacBook first. If you guys want to see more Apple videos, you guys already know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment. When you get a new Apple product, you have that Apple smell. And then we have that pull tab, of course. I made a review video on both the M2 and the M3. Make sure you guys check it out. Of course, you have your MagSafe charge in here. I discovered a company, they have a cable that's just like this, but it's magnetic. I'm actually gonna show it to you guys right now. You unroll the cable, and you know how things can get messy, it can get all scattered out, but with this, now you can put it back into this original state just by raveling all around in a circle, because the whole entire cable is a magnetic strip. This is something that I see Apple maybe doing, high premium nylon cable, which is really nice, very premium. And now look, it's back to how it was. Versus a cable like this is gonna be hard to put it back together again because it's so loose. Apple, copy this. This is from Magtain. I'll throw a link in the description. Oh, you do? Okay, so you do get the Apple stickers. Then you have your power brick. This is a 30-watt power brick. Of course, you have your actual MacBook here. Space gray is a fantastic color. You know, my next thing with Apple, I want to make everything space black. I see Apple's really pushing that narrative with the iPad Pro M4 with the space black color. Now, of course, it's going to turn right on. And of course, everything is new. Boot right up, you have the hello screen, and everything is pretty much new as you expected. So that's the brand new. Now, certified refurbished is exactly the same like I mentioned. You still have your same pull tab. Just as satisfying. Let me know down in the comments down below, what do you typically do with your Apple boxes? Do you throw them away or do you just collect them? Still has that Apple smell that I enjoy. You still have the same exact pull tab. Right, so the plastic is present. You have your MagSafe cable in the plastic or in the cardboard paper. So that's exactly the same. Okay, the booklet is still there. The booklet, the instructions is still present, and you still get your Apple stickers. So that's nothing new there. And of course, you have your 30-watt power adapter in the plastic. This is not used. This is certified refurbished. So yeah, so that's a really good look. And I think for back to school, you're trying to save every little nickel and dime. Certified refurbished is the best way to go through Apple. Now, I made a video covering Amazon Renewed. I may have to do an updated video on that, but for the moment of truth, the most important thing, let's unbox this. The same exact plastic. Okay. So exactly the same. Like, you could look at this side by side and you could tell there's no imperfections here. This is practically brand new. And the reason why it's certified refurbished, Apple replaced the chassis and as well as the battery. The only thing that hasn't been touched or technically second-handed.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
All right, Siri. The only thing that's second-handed essentially is the logic board, the silicon that hasn't been touched, but that's not the deal breaker because nobody's touching that. I mean, okay, so you still have the same exact plastic here, same exact experience as the brand new. And if I open up both the lids, take a look at the keyboard, everything looks exactly the same. Okay, like it's new. If I turn these all around, you're not even gonna tell which one is which. I picked up the same exact color and you really cannot tell the difference at all. The only difference is you're paying more money for this just to get the box art versus certified refurb. You're just getting a simple white box. But all right. And the typing experience exactly the same too as well. I've been touching this a little bit, but this is excellent condition. Always recommend going through Apple certified refurb. My eyes, I don't see anything wrong with this at all. And of course, a brand new. Everything is new with brand new. All right, while that's loading up, remember certified refurbished is on the left, brand new is on the right. Okay, so fingerprint scanner works. So I'm scanning my finger, it can register. And of course, the brand new, it's gonna work perfectly fine. Okay, so it's running the same exact update, macOS Sonoma 14.4. No imperfections, no fingerprints, nothing like that. And I'm actually gonna charge it up right now using the charger that Apple provided. Charging right up. I also want to test out the battery health on the certified refurbished. So battery health is normal. It is at 100% capacity. Of course, the brand new, it goes without saying, the battery is going to be brand new. Okay, battery health is at 100%. So 100% battery health. You could also add in Apple Care 2 as well if you go with Apple certified refurbished. You can also add Apple Care 2 as well, and you still have the 14-day return window even if you're going with the certified refurbished. Yeah, this is like buying a brand new machine but at a discounted price. One more thing I want to test out is the speaker. Make sure the speakers work perfectly fine. Sound quality is exactly the same. This is basically one-to-one. And of course, the brand new, it goes without saying, the charging is gonna work perfectly fine. But yeah, no difference. Really no difference here at all. And that goes for anything. For the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watches, certified refurbished is the way to go. The only thing right now, in the time it's recorded, Apple is doing a promo for back to school. So if you're going back to school, you're only paying $900 or $899, and it's only $850 if you go with certified refurb. Now, yes, it is only $50 cheaper, but with the back to school promotion, Apple is going to give you an $150 Apple gift card, and you can put that towards Apple Care. So essentially, it is free Apple Care or any Apple accessories that you would like to use, or maybe Apple Music. I remember back in the days, Apple used to give away Beats or AirPods. I miss those days and all, but this is so much better just because, well, you could buy pretty much AirPods, Apple Music, you choose what you want. So for the time it's recording, I recommend using that method because you're getting so much more value basically. But once that promotion is over, then I'll switch over to Apple certified refurbished. But yeah, man, one-to-one for sure. This is pretty good. The hinge, nice and smooth. Brand new, same exact thing. Like, it's the same exact machine. No denying. And that's one of the coolest things about MacBooks. You don't have to hold the bottom to open it up. But other than that, this video is a wrap. I hope you all have a simple day. Subscribe, like, comment, and until next time, have a simple day.